What's up everybody? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this. Pretty cool, right? So anyway, listen, before we get started, make sure you comment down below how does this guy do this, and also right after that, just comment down below done. Once you like the video, share it, subscribe, and click that notification bell if you want more videos like this. So back to what I was saying. See this line right here? You got that line? So just take your pinky finger, put it on that line. If you're right-handed, use your left hand to do this. If you're left-handed, use your left hand to do this. But since I'm right-handed, I'm actually just going to do this. So you can actually find, okay, now close your hand. You can find any kind of position you want. You can do this, but for me, I like to do this because it gives like a close position. And if you see any holes right there, then it's not gonna work. You have to make sure there is no holes. And you see the point right there? My thumbs? Yeah. Now, just to practice, I'm actually gonna, for a practice run, I'm actually gonna do this to my lips, but it's gonna be on here, right? So it's like, wait up. Do not go straight to the hand thing, alright? Just start out with this. Then before you know it, you don't have to do this to your lips anymore. You don't have to do that anymore once you practice enough. Just like, that's how you do it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching the video, and just comment down below what else you want me to do or what you want me to teach you. Maybe in this channel I'll try to make, I don't know, I'll try to make maybe tutorial videos on how to make coffee or anything like that. Really, I don't care. Comment down below what you want me to do. Don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell, and comment down below done. And I'll be choosing one person to be put into my next video. I mean their comments, not the actual guy. I'm sorry. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Peace.